wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 6 best back hair shavers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 6. The Ultra Flex DIY is a pliable extender that bends to whatever angle works best for you. It is important to follow the directions carefully to ensure the razor is secure enough not to wobble, but those who get it right love this option. It's also helpful for pregnant women. However, you do have to supply your own razor, and it needs a more comfortable handle. At number 5, the already budget-friendly Bro Shaver uses standard double-edged blades, saving you even more money in the long run. Using it is as straightforward as its name. Its 20-inch length can reach the small of your back without you having to twist and turn. It comes with 15 refills and a comfortable grooved grip, but some find it too wide. Coming in at number 4 on our list, the Razorba Classic sports an ergonomic shape that bends over the curve of your back so that your wrist doesn't have to. It doesn't come with a razor. Instead, you insert your favorite brand of disposable for the closest possible shave. It's equipped with a convenient hanging loop and comes in 3 colors and sizes. However, it takes time to master the angles. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for back hair shavers, or simply click beneath this video. Halfway up our list at number 3, the Philips Bodygroom 3500 is a good all-in-one option as it comes with an extender for the back but also works great on other areas without it. You can choose the rounded trimming comb for sensitive areas or use the razors to completely remove hair. It includes 3 combs for various lengths and works for about 60 minutes between charges, but thicker hair may require 2 passes. At number 2, the bakblade 2.0 Elite includes a neoprene scrub sleeve that fits over it to help you apply soap or shaving cream to hard-to-reach spots. You also receive 3 of their patented dry glide blades that allow you to groom in or out of the shower. It comes with an ergonomic S-shaped handle, a wide 4-inch blade, and a cleaning brush. And taking the top spot on our list, the hinged design and flexible neck of the blade heads means the mangroomer Pro can reach every nook and curve of your back. It includes a power burst button for those particularly stubborn patches of hair and can be locked at a variety of lengths for precision. It features 2 interchangeable heads and a battery that recharges quickly. It folds flat for storage too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for back hair shavers, or simply click beneath this video.